We want some. Do we want some? Can I take these? Can I take these? Oh. Oh yes. Free mine. Oh dear. There he is. Walter.
Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, what is it?
Well, it's no
Yeah, okay.
husband.
Yeah,
Now,
we got to go fix that. How many leaks are there? There's
from
4.
the pressure in the plant.
3.
Check.
All right, I'll keep it in
I
mind.
hope you can.
I hope you can help. Okay, let's go. I have to go now. All right. Oh my God, that I am still my wow. Okay, there are 3 leaks we got to take care of. Fix. One of them somebody's staring at over here on. Yeah, right there. Right there. We can. What the hell? Shit. We don't have repair high enough. Damn it. Are you kidding me? Repair is at 21. Flibbity jib. Crap. Alright, well, crud in a crack. Let's, okay. Shit. Alright, well, tell you what we're going to do. We're going to have to go down to the Super Duper Mart and do some shit. We're going to have to do it. Oh, this is Fallout, man. Alright, we're going to need something better than a baseball bat. That's for damn sure. What we got going on here? There we go. What do we got in the way of ammo? What we got in the way of ammo? Ammo we got over. Oh, there's a.
Welcome to
Hey, how you doing?
Megaton.
So Super Duper Mart's like, you know, down over the hill somewhere, but we're going to go this way because there's probably we're gonna have to take out some mole rats too. Hello. Where are we going? Where are we going? I can see through. I can sneak in right here, but it's empty. You can't see it because it's not a post. It's a post wall. There's got to be some shit around here somewhere. There they are. There they are. There they are. Danger roll, Robinson. Oh, well, that didn't. Hello. Oh, I got him. I hit him. Begin. I keep hitting him. Uh-oh. Come on, babe. Come on back here. Come on. There he is. Show me his paleo eyes, will you? Let's go. Begin. Uh-oh. We're in trouble. What do you think now? Uh-oh. Alright, where's the other one at? Yeah. We're gonna have to heal ourselves here real quick. Oh shit. Oh, die, you son of a bitch! Die! Ooh! Die and your head pops off. How about that? How about that? Okay, now we really need to heal ourselves. Alright, let's take care of that right now. We'll go Feast Impact. Alright, that's good for now. That'll be fine. Now, we are looking for something special. We're looking for something special. If you don't know what I'm looking for, where have you been? There's actually a There's a cache of stuff hidden in a rock. And I always forget where the hell it's at. I always forget how to find the damn thing. Crap! It's got the tree stumps around. That's all I remember. It's got 3 tree stumps around. So let's kind of hang back here a second. There's the entrance there. Huh. Okay. So let's move down the wall. Oh my god. How dumb are we? How dumb could we be? Walkies down here. There's 3 stumps around it. That's it. That's gotta be it right there. Right? Gotta be. Oh my god. We're stupid. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 stumps. Jeez. Zoe, lady. Maybe this is it. 3 stumps around. Those aren't stumps, really. No, there we go. What's this? There we are. Hollowed out rock. Whew! We get the sniper rifle. Already we get the sniper rifle. That's what I was looking for. Up! And there's a note. There's a note. As requested. Oh, there we go. Here's the stuff you wanted. If anyone asks where you got it, say it was a gift from your grandma. Happy hunting. Uh-oh. Another mole rat. Oh, let's try out the sniper rifle while we're at it. Why not? Your up is important. Excuse me. Oh my. Whoops. I crippled his leg. That's good. Oh, hi, are you pretty? You are precious. And you're dead. And you're dead. I am, you know what? Oh, shit. Where caution? Why away caution? Why away caution? What's around? What's around? Oh. It's a vicious dog. God, there's so much shit out here, man. We've only just begun. Only just begun. I need some music. I don't know about you. I turned the music down because I thought it was... We need some music. Where'd the dog go? Doki, where did you go, Doki? Puppers! Hello! Puppers. Where the hell did they go? Hate that. Oh shit, there's more than one, huh? Huh. Oh shit, you brought friends. We're gonna have to, delayed reaction to that. I feel bad killing the dog, but I don't feel bad surviving. Alrighty. I'm feeling good out here in the Wasteland. We're not doing too bad. I remember I died real quick the first time I ever played this. And we haven't even done anything yet. Down, yeah, because like there's a raider thing down that way on the bridge. We don't want to go there yet. We are... We haven't gotten anywhere. We really need to... We really need to up our game here. You know, and we're an idiot because Moira gave us this damn armored suit. Right now, we've got an 8. We could be at a 12. We're an idiot. Yeah. Yeah. Which would have increased our freaking pistols usage. Alright, well, we're going to have to go down to the Super Duper Mart. I really don't want to go down to the Super Duper Mart because that is going to put us really into, what is the map? What is the quest? Wasteland Survival Power. Okay, so let's just take a look. Okay, this is, you know, investigate the riverboat. We're not doing that. We're doing Into the Pit. No, we're not doing that. Not of this world. Not doing that. Aiding the Outcast. Yeah, we're not going to do that right now. No. Power of the Atom is disarm the bomb. Optional, find medicine at the Super Duper Mart. Find food. And then, yeah, there's... Okay, let's... You know what? Actually... Let's check the map out for a second. Riverboat Landing, Rivet City. You have not discovered this location yet. Can I actually put can I put a marker or something? Yeah, okay. Because we're gonna go to Rivet City because there's another bobblehead we can get there really quick. So yeah, I am pretty much playing the tips I know from playing the game. It will increase because what's going to happen is when we get these bobbleheads, we can then increase the amount of skill points we're allocated every time we level up. Because the perks will you know get us there. So if we can get to Rivet City, now we're not going to do anything between here and now. You know, we're just taking the easy route. We're going to go down to the we're going to go to the water and just follow the river right down to Rivet City. We're not screwing around at all, and we're going to take some damage. We'll take some radiation damage, but we'll be okay. I can use one of the red X's I had. And we can keep us safe that way. But the problem is us getting there first. Yeah, we're gonna get there. So we're gonna go make a trip to Rivet City and get another bobblehead. That sound like fun? Sounds like fun to me. Let's go do it. All right, we're heading to Rivet City by way of water in order to get the... Oh, this is going to end badly. I can just tell. Didn't do a very good job of sneaking away from everything. Oh shit. What do we got way on the left of? I should probably check my ammo. Okay, we're doing okay for that. When we find dog meat, that'll be awesome. Now, when I first time I played, I had dog meat. I didn't, and I think I said this before in the first couple episodes. that I had played with. Yeah, that's a super duper rare. I played with Dogmeat as a follower. I didn't actually. I'm sorry, I didn't play with Dogmeat as a follower. I had found Dogmeat and I'd sent him to stay at the vault, and I never used him. He just stayed there. And then I had gone and through the entire game until I got to the vault with the FEV or whatever. That had the one that has Fox in it, which oddly enough today is November 5th, Guy Fawkes Day. Remember the 5th of November in V for Vendetta. You know, that game or that movie. And yeah, Fox was awesome. But they say Dogmeat's the best follower. I don't really know if that's really the case. Because quite frankly, I was under the impression that Dogmeat would die, and I didn't want to have Dogmeat die. And I didn't want that to happen, so I chose to not use Dogmeat as a follower, and just sent him to the vault, and he stayed there, and he was happy, and, well, I mean, probably not that happy, but at least he wasn't getting killed. And that's always a good thing. You gotta go. You gotta make some time here, people. We're not getting very far. Can we Skyrim it? Oh shit! This is Great Itch, isn't it? Yeah, this is Great Itch. I'm not ready to do Great Itch just yet. And there's a lot of shit in Great Itch. There's the river. I'm gonna head to the river. Huh. Okay. This is fun, isn't it? So we're gonna just walk and talk, I guess, because I got nothing else going on. Yeah. There's an eyeball. There's about the eyeball. Yeah. So, okay. We've been playing now. This is our third or fourth episode. We've been playing for a while. Oh, something happening down here. Doesn't sound good. Heard some missiles. Some explosions. Don't know what it's from. We've been playing now for a little bit. And... oh, that's right. There's this lady. Wilhelm's Wharf, that's right. Hello.
Well, look
Grandma
at this.
Sparkle!
We brought us a wanderer all the way
Yeah,
out
that's
here
right.
in Wilhelm's Wharf.
Uh-huh.
You must got, but tain't none of my
Taint!
beeswax.
What about your
you're
taint?
doing.
Taint and
If you're
beeswax.
interested in trade,
Sure. I'm interested in trade.
always need bullets.
Kel McGuire. What do you got in the way of ammo? What? You don't have much of anything, do you? You have nothing. Okay, I have to.
We'll see you real soon.
Yeah, have a good one. All right, what we need to do is go this way. Okay. Yeah, we need to go all the way down the water and then boom. And we're gonna have to deal with attacks from raiders and super mutants, but we probably can avoid most of it from the water. So we're gonna wait till we get to that point where shit's gonna start kicking off, and then we will. We want some. Do we want some? Can I take these? Can I take these? Oh. Oh yes. Free mine. Oh dear. That didn't go well. Yeah. Oh man. Alright, we're better. Oh, and it blew them all up, too. Well, I got...
Those monsters, they're gonna get me.
What are you doing?
Those...
Okay, hey, kid, it's okay.
No,
Oh, shit!
you look strong. Those,
Oh,
Big
yes.
things.
Damn it.
please,
Okay, I'll go look for your father.
well, they're big. My
Yeah.
papa would always say they're fucking ants.
Hey, watch your mouth, kid.
Well, that's what I just. My papa had a gun.
Papa
he said
had
it
a
hurt
gun?
those things. He kept telling everyone.
Super antennas.
Nah, at first.
Alright.
My house, please.
Alright.
Nope.
Oh, for God's sakes.
Well, there.
Go.
Papa
Yeah.
always said, "I'll head over."
Okay. Christ. I didn't want to start this mission so early, but we're not going to go do it right now. Because they will keep coming back. We will find the father. I think he's going to be okay. Let's, just in case, we'll stop. We'll come back to that point. Alright, let's stick near the water. Oh, look! There's a scavenger. I almost shot your ass. Oh, that place is not good either. There's plenty of bad shit around here. That's for damn sure. We may have to do some swimming here. I believe. But yeah, we've been playing, and so what do you think so far? Hopefully, it's going the way you thought it would. I think it's going okay for me. Now that I've got the controller, oh my gosh, this is so much more fun. So much easier to play. There's a Jefferson Memorial. Yeah, it's God, you know, that's the thing is this game. I'm sorry, we had talked about this before. I had gotten this game in probably about 2010, a couple years after it came out. What's that? There's a centaur. A centaur. Those aren't in Fallout 4. That's why I don't like Fallout 4 as much. The centaurs are. They're just, I don't know, because there's just something about the centaurs that are just like, ew. But yeah, I got the game 2010, something like that, and was playing it, and it would be like I would go down into the basement, the man cave here, and start to play, and it would be just like I would be gone for like ever. I would just be gone. It would just nothing to it. I was out there on my own in the wastes, and I just had no sense of time whatsoever. It just everything became lost to me. It was the summer. We had a pool, and I didn't even go swim in the pool. Well, here's the problem, though. You know, speaking of swimming, excuse me. But you know, I would go to work, and I would come home, and it's like it would be maybe an hour before dinner. So it's kind of like, well, are you gonna get changed and go swimming for like a half an hour? Because then you have to change back again, and then go to dinner, or eat dinner. So it was kind of like was pointless to me. And I guess I should have. I mean, the failings that I had as a. Oh dear. Yeah, we are not doing this. We are not taking care of this puppy. We're gonna bypass all that shit. But the failings I may have had in a previous life, that would probably be one of them, is spending time playing a video game rather than spending time with the family. Yeah, bad guy. Bad guy. Uh-oh. Gotta dive. Oh, he's swimming too. Shit. Okay, well we're gonna just run our asses. We're almost to Rivet City. There it is. I can't take care of you right now. What is it? What is he fighting? What is he fighting? What is he shooting at? What is he shooting at? Oh, jeez. They're shooting at something up there. It's a caravan girl. Aw, we can't let this happen. We can't let this... Oh, son of a bitch. What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh, shit. What are we doing? We're gonna do this. We are gonna do this, aren't we? We're crippled him. That's a good thing. Get him before he kills us! I can't believe we actually pulled that off. Okay, they're not the problem. They're not the danger right now. Up! Up! Actually, I almost got him. Holy cow, we did it! We did it, Ma! Holy hell, we can't believe we did that. Hey, you. You lost somebody along the way, though. Where are you headed off to? Where are you going? Where are you running to? Where are you... Don't tell me you're going off to fight him. Okay, we're doing this too, I guess. My goodness. Why are we... There you go. He's dead. He's dead now. You don't have to... Where are you going? Look, I didn't sign up for all this bullshit. I just wanted to go to Rivet City. I just wanted to go there and... Oh my god, what are we doing? I could have...